Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to pass Arena 4 in Clash Royale. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Clash Royale app. Then here in the main screen, tap the Cards tab at the bottom. Here, check your unlock cards and see which one you can upgrade. And here, tap Upgrade on the core cards your plan to use so your deck becomes stronger. Next, head over to the Battle Deck tab and start building your Arena 4 deck. Choose a win condition. This could be a giant, hog rider, or balloon. Any of these work great in Arena 4. And after choosing your win condition, add support cards like Musketeers, Valkyrie, or Mini P.E.K.K.A to help protect your push. Then include at least one spell. It's a fireball, arrows, or zap are all great options to remove enemy troops or reset tricky pushes. And once that's done, you can add a cheap cycle cards such as skeletons, goblins, or spear goblins so you can quickly cycle back to your win condition. When your deck is ready, tap the battle button to start the match. And during the battles, focus on defending first. Don't rush your attack. Wait for your opponent to make a mistake. You can defend efficiently then counter push using your win condition. And finally, take advantage of double elixir. When your pushes become stronger and easier to support, this usually the best moment to finish the game and secure your win. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.